Some rural areas of central Indiana are still dealing with the damage from severe weather related to Hurricane Helene. And our Nico Panisi is taking us to a small town in Boone County where a family-owned business known for providing the scares had a fright of its own.
I'm walking on 80 acres of farmland here in Jamestown. It's home of Indiana Fear Farm, a family-owned business that thrives on scaring you.
You come at us, Joe?
Whoa!
And then
That's crazy.
Sabrina Doolin Kent and her husband Joe are veterans at providing scares. They've owned and operated their Fear Farm since 2002.
if I can dream it up, my husband can make it happen.
Wandering through their slaughter barn
I forget that not everybody can walk through here like it's their own house.
is like a walk in the park for the duo. Well, a walk riddled with tubs of fake guts,
This is rope and stuff that makes it look like intestines.
walls that shock you,
When you walk through here, it's pitch black, and what's the first thing people do? They put their hands they put their hands up.
and monsters that chase you.
It is a person
Oh yeah.
who tends to put even grown men on the ground.
But this year, the Doolin Kent family was the one being scared.
We've been on this farm for 34 years, and I have never seen winds like that come through here.
High winds and rain from Hurricane Helene tore through central Indiana on September 27th.
We were hustling around here trying to get all the things put back up, because if it was out in the open, I'm talking signs, all of parking, the fencing.
On what was supposed to be opening day, the Fear Farm was forced to close.
We had just been working for 4 months to open this dude, and then on day one, these winds come in.
It took a lot of hustle, teamwork, and support from the community to get things back on track the next day.
And all of a sudden, you've got vehicles pulling on the farm. I mean, they're like, what can I do? How can I help? Like, let's get this open.
The Doolin Kent family says they're happy to be able to send shivers down the spines of Hoosiers for the 22nd year.
We put our heart, soul, sweat, and blood into making sure that we're going to give you a show like you have never seen before.
In Jamestown, Nico Panisi, WRTV.